everybody, hope you're all doing fine. I am back with yet another video on how to use basics, and today in this video I'm gonna guide you through how to change credit card on Crunchyroll app. So if you wanna learn how, then keep watching the video till the end, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now, in order to change your credit card on Crunchyroll application, first of all go ahead and tap on Crunchyroll app. After you do that, go ahead and tap on the option of account, which is in the bottom right corner. After you do that, scroll all the way down until you see subscription under membership. So go ahead and tap on subscription. After you do that, go ahead and tap on Go Premium, and then select any of the fan you would like to buy subscription to, and then go ahead and tap on Start Subscription. Now it says add payment method, so go ahead and tap on add credit or debit card, and then you can go ahead and add a new credit card on the box available here, and then go ahead and tap on save. The save options will be only available after you enter the number, and then tap on save, and then you're good to go. You have changed your credit card number. So that's how we can easily change our credit card on Crunchyroll app. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment section if you have a comment or a feedback for us. I'll send you back more tutorial like this. Goodbye till then.